Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Now students, in the previous lecture I have given you all the notes of the chapter number 2, that is angles, right? So today students, in today's lecture I will be giving you all the notes of chapter number 1, that is basic concepts in geometry. Okay, so everybody will open their maths combined book number 1. Practice sets we have already completed in the notebooks as well as in combined book, but the remaining questions we will solve in the combined book today. Okay, now students, everybody will open their maths combined book number 1, page number 67. Today we are going to study the write the notes of part 1, that is basic concepts in geometry. Okay, in that first is formative evaluation. Can you see this? It's formative evaluation. In that first question is question number first A, that is say true or false. Okay, true or false. In that first one is that many lines can be drawn through two given points. Now it's false. Why it is false? Because many lines can be drawn through two given points. You cannot draw many lines from two given points. You can draw many lines from one given point. आप 2 पॉइंट से मेनी लाइंस मतलब ज़्यादा लाइंस नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकते. जब सिंगल पॉइंट है वही एक पॉइंट से आप एक से ज़्यादा लाइंस ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ओके, सेकेंड वन इज two intersecting lines meet in a single point. Now two intersecting lines meet in a single point. It is true. Why it is true? Because दो लाइंस जब इंटरसेक्ट करते, जब वो इंटरसेक्ट हो जाते, जॉइन दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट हो जाते, तो वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट होता है, तो वो टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस मीट इन अ सिंगल point. So that statement is true. Okay, third one is that array can be extended in both the directions. Array can be extended in both the directions. It's false. array एक दोनों directions में extend नहीं किया जा सकता है. array का कैसा है? array एक point से start होता है, दूसरे point से वो it passes through the second point and it goes on extending. तो वो एक ही side से pass होता है. It does not passes from the both the directions. So this statement is false. Question number 4 is that many lines can pass through a point. Yes, this is true because आप एक से ज़्यादा lines pass कर सकते एक point से. Okay. Fifth one is when two lines meet each other in a plane, then they are called parallel lines. It's false. When two lines meet each other in a plane that is a plane surface, and when two lines meet each other, दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ मिल गए, so वो parallel lines है नहीं. Parallel lines do not meet each other. So therefore this statement is false. Now next question is that select the correct options. In that we can draw innumerable or one line passing through a single point. So from single point से हम लोग कितने lines draw कर सकते innumerable, like many lines. Okay, so you will cancel that one. Okay, you will cancel that one. Second one is a line segment has 3 या 2 end points. line segment के कितने end points रहते हैं? 2 end points. so 3 को क्या करेंगे? cancel करेंगे because 3 is the wrong option. correct option is 2. Third one is two parallel या intersecting lines have one and only one point of intersection. Two parallel or intersecting lines have one and only one point of intersection. तो जब पॉइंट इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं तो एक पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन का बन जाता है. एक ही पॉइंट पे दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, तो वो कौन से लाइंस रहते हैं? पैरेलल लाइंस या इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस? इट इज़ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. सो पैरेलल को आप कैंसिल करेंगे. फोर्थ वन इज 3 or 1 and only one line passes through any two given points. जब 2 points, whenever 2 points are given, how many line pass? Only one line can pass. You cannot pass more than one. जब दो ही पॉइंट्स दिए तो उसमें से सिर्फ एक ही लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, आप एक से ज़्यादा लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकते. सो 3 इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. सो करेक्ट वन इज 1. So below that you have to write like this answer, that is first one is innumerable, second one is 2, third one is intersecting, and fourth one is 1. Is that clear students? So true or false and select the correct options. You will write it in your combined book number 1 on page number 67. Now here students, textbook practice set 1. In that question number 1 is that look at the figure alongside and name the following. This question we have already solved, but once again I will revise it. In this first one is that they have asked for collinear points. Which points? Collinear points. So which are the collinear points? That is point M, point O and point T. Now point M, O and T, these 3 points lies on a single line. Okay, then is point R, point O and point N. Again these 3 points lies on the सिंगल लाइन. जब सिंगल लाइन पे 3 पॉइंट्स या 3 से ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स रहेंगे तब भी वो कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स रहेंगे. इफ दोज पॉइंट इफ लेस देन 3 पॉइंट्स आर देयर देन इट इज़ नॉट सेड टू बी अ कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. सेकेंड वन इज रेज. You have to see the rays. That is rays. आप देखेंगे सेंटर से, that is ray OM, OP, ON, OT, OSOR. जब वो O से स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं और वो O एक उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है. फिर M, R, S, T, N, P, ये वो क्या है, उसके दूसरे पॉइंट जहाँ से वो पास हो जाते हैं. एंड देन एरो इज दैट इट एरो मीन्स इट गोज ऑन एक्सटेंडिंग. क्लियर? देन इज लाइन सेगमेंट. Line segment, you have to write the line segment, that is segment MT, segment RN, segment OP, segment ON, OT, OSOR, so OM, all these are what? Line segments. Then are the line is MT and RN. What are the lines MT and RN? So this is the question. Okay, we have already solved this, but still those who haven't solved, they will complete this in your combined book number 1. Next is match the following. Even this question we have solved, that is match the following. You have to pair. First figure is what? Line. Second is line segment. Third is plane surface, and fourth one is a ray. Is that clear? Now students, on the same page, question number C is what? That is observe the figure and name it. Okay, so first figure A and B. A is the starting point, so the line starts, it passes through point B and it goes on extending, so it is known as ray. Okay, second is that line which has the 2 end points, so it is known as line segment. Okay, now students, you will turn your page number 68. Now students, here page number 68, on the top you can see the third figure. That is what? It's a it has a 2 end points, but from both the end points the line has been extended, so it is known as line. Okay, fourth one is only point M, so it is known as point. Fifth one is a plane surface. You can see it's a box and it 4 arrows, and it's a plane surface. That's it. It is known as plane. And sixth one is a, you have to observe, it is line L. L is given for the name. L is given as a name for that line, so it is known as line L. Is that clear? Now students, the next question is quiz, that is differentiate between the pictures of figures and you have to write its name. So in the first figure is what? This figure is known as what? This figure is what? Figure 1. It is a line with 2 endpoints, so it is known as line segment. And the second figure number 2 is what? It is a line segment but with the extending line, so it is known as line. So how you will write in the answer? In the answer you will write it like this. See, below is the answer. In figure 1, that is line segment, and figure 2 is what? Line. Now in second one in figure first, it is 2 lines are crossed, means they have met each other, so they are known as intersecting lines. And figure 2 is known as parallel lines. The 2 lines are similar but they does not meet each other, so they are what? Parallel lines. So second one answers you will write like this. Second one, that is intersecting lines and parallel lines. Okay. Third one is what? Third one, the 3 lines are intersected, so those are again intersecting lines. And figure 2 is what? Concurrent lines. See here. Third one you will write intersecting lines and concurrent lines. Okay. Then fourth one in a single line, how many points are there? 3 points. That means that is what? Collinear points. And in figure 2, those are only points, or there is no line, so it is named as non-collinear points. So fourth one you will write like this. It is what? Collinear points, or and then in figure 2 you will write points or non-collinear points. Is that clear? Then there is a class assignment or home assignment, that is the homework part. In that what they have told, in the diagrams below, write the names of segments, lines and rays. Okay, so I have written segment AB and line AB. Is that clear? It is line AB. Now here students, it is line AB and segment AC. Here you will write segment AC and segment BC and segment BC. Clear? Second one they have told, I have written the ray, that is ray CP, ray CQ, okay, ray CB, ray CB also is there, ray CB. Then is segment, not segment, it is line AB. Is that clear everybody? Okay. Now students, next question is that look at the figures and answer the following question. First question is, name the lines whose point of concurrence is M. Whose point of concurrence is M. Okay. So I have written line LM, line MN and line MO. ये 3 lines ऐसे हैं जिनका concurrence point क्या है? Point M. Okay. Name the lines whose point of concurrence is L. अभी ये, so LN, line LN, line LO, line LM and line LN. So ये तीनों lines कहाँ पे meet होते हैं? यहाँ पे. ये उनका point of concurrence है. Is that clear? Now you will go on page number 69. Page number 69, question number 3 is that name the collinear points. So those are point M, point P, point O and point N. Okay. Now students, this question number 4. Now whole question number 4, question, then this question, all these are what? Similar questions. So you don't have to complete this, and these questions are not so important. Okay, we have solved already all similar questions related to this. तो आपको ये पेज के कोई भी questions नहीं solve करने हैं. Is that clear? This page, see here, this page you don't have to solve any of the questions of page number 69 and page number 70. Now here students, page number 70, you don't have to complete all these questions because all these questions are very similar. We have already solved these questions. So students, on page number 71, this textbook practice set 1, this question is there. Observe the given figure, name the parallel lines, concurrent lines and the points of concurrence in the figure. So I have already explained this question, that is parallel lines, that is line B, line M, line Q, line A and line P. Concurrent lines are line A, line B, line C, line AC, line P, line Q and line AD. And point of concurrence are point A and point D. Okay, write the different names of the line alongside. So line L, line AB, okay, line AC, line AD, line BC, line BD and line CD. So these are the different names of these lines. Is that clear? So students, मैंने जो questions बोले पेज नंबर 69 और पेज नंबर 70, वो पूरा those 2 pages questions are not necessary to complete. So you will not complete those questions. जितना मैंने लिखा है उतना ही आपको लिखना है combined book में. Is that clear? So with this, so everybody have to complete the notes. Only page number 69 और 70 के questions नहीं लिखने, बाकी सब questions आपको लिखने हैं. जैसे मैंने explain किया है वैसे ही आपको combined book में लिखने. Is that clear everybody? So students, with this I will end today's lecture, and in the next lecture we will start with the new chapter. Okay, thank you.